Hi, it's Brian Johns from the University of Iowa. My next project is using the R17 robot to load and unload workpieces from the PCNC 770. Before getting started on this, a few custom parts need to be made. This end effector has fairly limited gripping range. To expand this range, I will use these bolt holes on the side to make my own custom gripping arms. The gripping arms will be first manufactured on the Waterjet machine, and then the finishing holes will be drilled in the PCNC 770. The next step is milling the counterbores for the bolts. The counterbores also provide a flat surface for the drilling of the through holes afterwards. The gripping arms came out just as planned. Hopefully they work. They're right in the range of the material I would like to grip, so that's good. But we'll see once we get all the pneumatics hooked up.